Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I want to do the percentages by weight of titanium and oxygen in titanium dioxide. And so, this is actually pretty simple. Just take the mass of 47.867. This is how many grams in 1 mole of titanium in this case. Divide it by the weight of the compound. Multiply by 100. Let's put it in the calculator. On and clear. 47.867 divided by 79.855. That looks reasonable. 0.599 times 100. 59.94. 59.94%. Let's look at oxygen real fast. For oxygen, we have 2 moles of that weigh in at 31.988 grams. Divide that by the total mass of the compound. Multiply by 100. Let's hit clear. 31.988 divided by 79.855. That 40 looks reasonable. Multiply it times 100. 40.06. Let's add these together and see if that gets to 100%. So we got 59.94 plus 40.06, and I got exactly 100%. I think some advanced chemist would have rounded these off before we got to this point and accepted it even if it wasn't exactly, but for us this is exactly correct. These are the percentages by weight of titanium and oxygen in titanium dioxide. Bueno.